Jamaicans will be celebrating Father's Day on Sunday, June 15. But the Bureau of Gender Affairs started the celebrations early with a spa day for these everyday heroes at the offices of the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport. The event was held on Thursday in partnership with the ministry's Human Resource Department. Director of the Male Empowerment Unit at the Bureau of Gender Affairs, Nashan Miller, says the initiative is aimed at normalizing the recognition of the significant role men play in the life of youths.
We have fathers from the Jamaica Constabulary Force, the Jamaica Defense Force, Jamaica Fire Brigade. We have community members, pastors. We have construction workers, taxi men. We have doctors. We have a wide plethora of persons coming from all over Jamaica just to be here so they can enjoy their relaxation. They say, listen, Nashan, we're not used to this, so we have to be here.
In addition to refreshments, the dads experienced spa treatment from students of the Heart Trust NSTA's School of Cosmetology.
That's manicure, barber, haircut, and of course, upper body massage. So last year it was so successful. It was a wonderful stage and the fathers came out. We got support from the Honorable Minister herself who came and played dominoes with us. And right now, even as I speak, you have several fathers outside playing dominoes, enjoying smoothie, and so just enjoying the festivities, sitting together, relaxing as they await to get their treatment.
It's a good initiative, and I'm almost sure that all the males there fully appreciate it, right? Because as you said before, the appreciation is lacking, and so I appreciate the initiative. I welcome the whole Father's Day event put on by the ministry, and I think it's a right step. It's a good step in the right direction. And I welcome more innovative things like this, even men talk, men retreat, anything like that, just to captivate, because the male, and it's not only like father, but just male on a whole, for the good men and fathers that are there, you want to have them continue. You want to give them the tools so that they can, properly direct the society, because both male and female have an important role in society.
Yes, it is wonderful. I never heard of it before. I was surprised that I was recommended for it, but I really feel honored. I think it's a great thing to recognize the fathers, if it's even once in a while. To let us feel, hey, that at least somebody recognizes that there's worth in what you do, and to give you even a day to say, hey, just sit back, relax, and enjoy this moment. There are not many other rewards apart from seeing your children go on and do very, very well. But this is one day that we can say thank you. Thank you so much to the minister and the ministry for this, because it really does make a difference. We do feel special.
The BGA is also hosting an Outstanding Father's Day Award ceremony on Friday at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel.
And we have several discussion points. Our theme for this year's Outstanding Fathers Award is the power of presence, fathers who make a difference, with the hashtag Daddy is home. So we're going to look at the importance of fathers having a presence in the household, not just physically or financially, but playing that part, playing that role to ensure that their children are impacted in a positive way. So the power of presence, and we'll have discussion points from different, I'll say, experts in the field, and it's something to look forward to. It will be a big celebration.